Construction at V-Suite is progressing steadily with key structural milestones now complete and visible vertical growth underway. 100% of the substructure, ground floor and all podium levels are complete, establishing a strong and fully delivered base for the development. 80% of the first floor structure has been completed, marking clear upward progress on site. On the interiors, 98% of basement, blockwork and plastering is complete, while ground floor and podium 1 fit-out works have reached approximately 50%, reflecting parallel execution across structure and interiors. V-Suite continues to advance with measurable progress and delivery confidence. V-Suite's executive living taking shape by ANAX.